Hey, I'm Rachel Ngom from she'smakinganimpact.com, and we've been talking mindset a lot lately because it's so important for you to build a good business. So today I want you to think about and journal, grab a pen, piece of paper, write it out, pause me if you need to. Who do you need to be to create the business of your dreams? Who do you need to be? So examples, if I actually wrote this down too. I want to be a 7-figure business owner. Who do I need to become to reach that level of success in my business? So I just kind of journaled out, okay, I need to be creative, focused, confident, organized, committed, teachable, a leader, energetic, someone who follows through, who wakes up early, avoids email first thing, adds value to others consistently, invests in themselves, has boundaries, takes responsibility, and meditates. So I really want you to write it out. Who do you need to be to achieve the business of your dreams? Recommended podcast episode is episode 21 of the She's Making an Impact podcast with Catherine Zankina. And I believe so strongly in this that we're going to actually host a mindset challenge, a 5-day challenge in December. So get ready for that. And here's a quote from Tony Robbins: "The only thing keeping you from what you want is the story about why you can't have it." So take massive action. Tag me on Instagram with an aha moment that you had at She's Making an Impact, and I'll talk to you later.